Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off and delete a VPN on your iPhone. Now you'll be able to see if I swipe down from the top right, I'm currently connected to a VPN because you can see right next to Wi-Fi, it says VPN. Now let's turn it off. The easiest way to do so is to head into the settings app of your iPhone. And now you'll be able to see right under battery is VPN. I can toggle this off and you'll be able to see if I swipe down, it no longer says I'm connected to a VPN. But sometimes, for whatever reason, it just automatically reconnects. So essentially, let's disable it in a different place and delete it if you want to. So let's scroll down from here, and we're going to tap on General midway down. And then from here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom until you find VPN and Device Management. Just tap on that. Now you can see, again, I'm connected to this VPN. Let's tap on it and turn it off here. So essentially, it will disable that personal VPN. However, sometimes it just reconnects just like that. You can see next to VPN Super, I can tap on the little I right next to it instead, and I can tap on delete this VPN. So I can tap delete and then delete. However, I've turned it off and deleted it. I might also want to delete the app. So hop out here and then find the app in the recently deleted or recently added in my case. I'm going to press and hold on it and then just hit delete and delete. And now you've fully turned it off, deleted the app and the VPN profile. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.